How do you find winning products that other people aren't selling yet and there's a lot less competition, but they have a massive margin? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through the top steps and strategies that you can use to find winning products for your dropshipping store. Now, we're going to start off by using TikTok, but if you want to see some very intense, in-depth, powerful tools, wait until the end of the video and I'll take you through some really cool tools that you can be using and they can help you find incredible products and basically the whole thing. You can find ad copies, you can find ad creatives, and it's all in one built-in tool. So if you want to see that, wait until the end of the video, but until then, let's just dive into TikTok. Now, I'm using TikTok on desktop. This is obviously not going to be as good as it would be on mobile, but the sentiment is there. Now, all you want to do is you want to come to TikTok and you want to search in the typical TikTok made me buy it. We're going to do something ever so slightly different. We're actually going to go into accounts. And what you'll notice is if you scroll through these accounts, there's lots of different type of accounts. Some of these will be people who are selling things. Some of them will just be people posting memes. But you want to look through, and this is a good way of finding products because you're looking for a product that does well or a product that gets lots of engagement and you have something to base it off. You have a reference point. And what I mean by that is if we come to tiktokbuyit.com, it's one of the biggest TikTok maybe buy it TikTok accounts. So we're going to use it for an example. Now, if you look at this videos here, all of them got around 3,000 views, 3,000 or 4,000 views, maximum around 5. So we're looking for something that stands out from the crowd. We're looking for something that's actually got a lot of engagement. And because of that, that will probably show us it's a good product. So for example, we'll look at this one, 21,000 views. It's one of these mosquito taser rackets. I wouldn't recommend selling this product just because there's so much competition. You're actually competing with brands like Amazon and huge in-person department stores in the UK and US and all over the world. So this is probably not the best product, but it's an interesting video and it gives you a good idea of how to make a video that's interesting. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to look along and you just want to have a look at any of these that you think could be interesting, anything that catches your attention. And if you were me, this is the first one that catches my attention, and this is a product that actually we may use in a future video for a dropshipping test. It's basically something that you can use to stop getting soap in your children's eyes when you're washing them in the shower, and it's kind of a fun little product. It's actually quite useful. So the good thing about this product is it actually solves a problem. So when you're looking for products, you're looking for something that solves a problem. It's got viral potential. It has a massive market, and it's also kind of unique and niche, and you've never really seen it before. So this is, it solves a problem. You have children, when I was a kid, I remember getting soap in my eyes and it's horrible and you don't like it. And then from the parent's perspective, you don't want to be washing your kids' hair if they're going to be getting soap in their eyes because they're only going to complain. It's going to make the whole process longer and more complex and just annoying for everyone involved. The next thing is it's kind of unique and quirky. You couldn't buy this in Walmart. You couldn't buy this. Maybe you could buy it on Amazon. I haven't looked, but right now you can pretty much buy anything on Amazon. So I wouldn't worry about competing with Amazon too much. And then obviously it's kind of quirky. You don't really see it. It's a bit fun and it's kind of catches people's attention. So you want to create something that has an interesting hook. Now, people's attention span on TikTok or on the internet nowadays is about 2 to 3 seconds, which means in the first 2 to 3 seconds, you need to be showing them something that they're interested in. Now, the reason this video didn't do very well is because if you look at the thumbnail they're using, that's not really a very clear thumbnail what they're selling. Now, if I were to use this, I would probably use the bit where it's got it over his head, there's soap coming down, and it's very clearly showing what the product does. That's seen just there. Okay, let's scroll through and look for some more products. Okay, there's all of these ones. I'm not going to go through these. These are just kitchen products. They're not particularly good. But this one here, 32,000 views. This is a bathroom organizer. Now, I would probably test this product. And a lot of you are probably going to go ahead and start testing this product now. But the reason for this is, for some reason, anything in the bathroom or kitchen organizing niche does very, very well. I've done some products that have scaled to huge numbers just in these niches. And for some reason, anything that declutters people's lives or makes their lives easier, you can sell that to those people very, very easily. She's got a lot of stuff all over her sink, all over her shelves that's getting in the way. And if she can have something that she can stick on the wall and it has all of her products all in one place, and more importantly, it kind of looks cool and fits with her aesthetic, why wouldn't she buy it? And these are things you want to be looking for. There's the main thing, which is obviously, does it solve a problem? If it solves a problem, is the market big enough? Is it a fairly broad market? For things like TikTok ads, you're looking for products that apply to a large market. For example, you're not going to be able to sell something like fishing lures on TikTok ads because you just can't target people who are into fishing that closely. And even so, if you could, I think you actually can target people who are into fishing, but the audience size is very, very small on TikTok. And because you can't target very narrow on TikTok ads, you want to look for products that apply to a huge market, lots of people. Most people have a bathroom. Most people have lots of products, shampoo bottles, makeup bottles in their bathroom. Most people don't have much room in their bathroom, and they don't like the fact that it gathers dust and makes it dirty and messy. They'd much rather have an organized space. And this is a product that solves that problem. On the opposite hand, you don't want to go for something like this, because this is basically just a product that holds people's AirPods and it looks kind of cool. It doesn't solve a problem, because if you want to hold your AirPods, they come in the container that actually holds the AirPods, and that charges them at the same time. This is only going to help people lose products. The only benefit this product has is it's kind of fun. If someone comes around, they'd look at that and they would laugh and they'd think it's kind of funny. But that's the only real reason anyone would buy this product, is because it's slightly entertaining. Same thing with fidget spinners is, it's outdated. I wouldn't even look at that, to be honest with you. And all you want to do is you want to go through these accounts, you want to scroll through, and you're looking for products or videos that kind of stand out. For example, this product did incredibly well a few years ago, and you could always retest it. And this is basically a product that you use to pull hair out the drain, and it's a very, very powerful product. And lots of people kind of see a problem with this, or see the problem and how this solves the problem. It's a very easy product, and more importantly, it's a lightweight, small product which is very easy to ship from China. You could probably buy this for about $5, and you could probably sell it for around $19 very easily. And then we can keep scrolling through and looking for products. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go on to TikTok Made Me Buy It, and you want to look at top, and you want to look at videos as well. Now, I'm on desktop, so I can't actually do it without logging in. I don't want to do that now because we'll just be going through it for hours. But what you're looking for are videos that catch your attention. You've got to be spending a lot of time on TikTok to find videos in that way, which is why I like to use accounts, because they already curate this content for us. So we've already found 2 or 3 products on that one account, which could be interesting for us to test. And all you want to do is you want to take the product, say for example, it's this product here, which is obviously a cable organizer. You want to go into it, you want to copy the link, you want to create a Google Doc, and you want to paste that link in your Google Doc, which means you can then come back to it and use it in the future. Now, let's go through a tool which I want to kind of talk to you guys about in a lot more detail, and that is Drophacker. Drophacker is a tool that I have been creating over the last few months, and essentially what it does is it curates websites. It pulls in data from all over the internet of websites which are doing well, and it pulls in the domain name of that website, pulls in an image of that website, an estimated revenue, an estimated monthly profit. At the moment, obviously, I've got a lot of placeholders in here. The app isn't completely finished, but if you are interested in this product, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It will take you to this website here, and you can enter in your email and your full name, and basically you can join our waiting list, which means you will have first access to our launch when it comes out, and obviously it will be a discounted launch for any of you guys who are interested. So to give you an idea of what this app does, let's just dive back in, and like I say, it isn't finished yet, but you can get an idea of what it does. It gives you an idea of the traffic, the number of sales they're making, the conversion rate, their average order value, so that helps you with pricing your products. You can obviously cycle through multiple products. You can have a look at their winning product. You can see, for example, which one's their best-selling product, and then there will be their product description will be in here, so you can copy the product description, put it onto a Google Doc, and you can edit it and use it for yourself. Then obviously we'll see the different images. So you can then have a look at the different images that are for those products, give you an idea of what images work. If you want to, you can also go ahead and view the AliExpress link, which will also be linked, and there'll be a recommended selling price. There's lots of other things as well. So, for example, it will tell you the cost of goods estimated for this product, and that's if we found it on AliExpress or from our personal supplier, the number of orders that you need to make a certain amount of profit, and then the sort of average CPA that we expect people to get. And then we've also created a section which we think a lot of people are going to enjoy, actually. And this is something where you can get an idea of keywords and Facebook audiences, which will be very, very powerful for you when you get started. And these audiences on Facebook, for example, can also be used for TikTok ads as well. So this is a very powerful tool. Now if we come back onto, I think it's just on this one, you can see here there's also an ad library. And this ad library pulls in, like I say, all of these are placeholders at the moment. But once this app launches, you will be able to access an ad library for every single product and every single website. And you can go ahead, you can view this product, you can see analytics about the product. It will tell you the watch time, it'll tell you how many people liked it, it'll give you an idea of how much people have spent on the ad, it'll give you an idea of the audience that they're targeting for the ad. Basically, it's going to pull in a whole load of data that you can then go ahead and use for your ads. Now, The next thing that you'll be able to do is you can also see the Facebook ad library as well, but we won't go into that just now. And basically what you can do is you can take these videos. If you wanted to, you can find the link. You can open this in a new tab. Okay, and we can take the link. And what I recommend to all of my students to do is take the link of the videos in the ad library. And like I say, if you want to use this app, it will be coming out in about a month's time. It's almost finished. We've just got some final bits and pieces to do. You can go ahead, reserve your spot, because we're only going to be releasing it to a very small number of people first. So reserve your spot, and then you can get early access to it when it does come out at a discount. And obviously, if you're on the free plan, you won't have access to everything. We do have different payment plans for you, and depending on what you need. But what you want to do is curate content that you can use for your ad creatives. Now, the way I like to do this is, for example, if we come onto TikTok and we search for a product that we could be selling, okay? If we just think about this for a second. Okay, so this is a product which could be quite interesting. And I tried to test this, but there's lots of problems with actually shipping this product from China. So this is an Angel charging product, and it's actually quite a cool product. Now, I wouldn't recommend you actually ship or try this product. I have spoken to a lot of suppliers, and a lot of them aren't able to ship this product from China. But to give you an idea of what you want to do when you're creating content to start off with, you don't want to do this forever, but to get started, to test the product, you want to start gathering content from TikTok that you think is going to do well. Now, if you're part of my Discord channel, which you can see linked in the description, you will know this already. But if you're not, I'll take you through this. And basically what we're looking for is content that has started to accrue some views, but hasn't gone viral. Now, the reason for this is if we're trying to sell this product, okay? If we're going to use this video from this is a very famous influencer on TikTok. She reviews lots of products. So you don't want to use any of her content anyway. It's got 2.9 million views, which means anybody who you're going to target for this product most likely has already seen this video. Now, they may have seen this video and thought, oh, I like that product, and kept it in the back of their mind. And then when they see our ads, they then come back and buy. But if they see a video that they've already watched on TikTok, they're just going to scroll past it. Now, if you think about the use scenario of people on TikTok, when you're using TikTok, it's like when you're using Instagram Reels or anything. If you scroll through and you see a video you've already watched before, you're not going to watch it again because you know what happens. You know what's going to happen in the video. There's no more interest. There's no more intrigue. And that's the only reason people watch these videos, is because they're interested and they're intrigued to see what happens in the rest of the video. Now, what we're looking for is videos like this, only 2,000 views, unboxing the wireless Angel charger. Now, there's lots of good content in here because what it's showing is the actual unboxing. It's, that provides trust. It's showing people that actually this product does ship. This is what the box looks like, and this is what I can expect to happen when it turns up at my door. And then obviously it's got some content here. It shows the wings opening when she puts the phone on, and then obviously she's got some B-roll of the product as well. So very, very cool and good videos. Now, you've got two choices, and I recommend the second. The first one, which is the very lazy choice, is you can go ahead and take the videos straight from Drophacker when it comes out, and you can copy the link and you can go straight to a TikTok downloader. I think it's Snaptic, and you can download it straight away and use that as ad content. Now, the problem with that is obviously if someone sees that and they've seen the video before, you could get reported because you've just basically stolen somebody's whole video. What I recommend you do is you go through the ad library on Drophack, and like I say, if you want to use this, join our waiting list. It'll be coming out soon. You want to take all of the videos on the ad library. You want to paste all of those links into TikTok, and then you want to take that link and you want to save it to the Snaptic. You want to download the videos, and then you want to go to a video editing tools, whether you've got one on your computer or you could use something like Canva. Upload those videos, and then you want to crop them together. You're looking for around 15 to 25 seconds, absolute maximum for your video. And you want to take the best bits of each video, and you want to create 3, maybe 4 different variations. They don't all have to have the same clips in, but you want to make variations made from different clips. So for example, we would download this video, we would download this video. It's only got 17,000 views. Maybe you wouldn't take the bit with the box because it's quite bashed up. This video, 3,000 views. It's obviously showing the problem, it's showing the product, and obviously how it lights up. The fact it's in a different color. And then you want to take each of these bits of videos, you want to stitch them together, and you want to make 3 or 4 different ads for your product. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and watch one of my other videos on this channel on the TikTok whatever it is playlist, and it will give you the product testing strategy. You want to go ahead and follow that product testing strategy step by step on TikTok ads, and that's usually how I recommend to my students, and how I test products myself, on how to basically gather content to get started. Now, obviously, once you started making sales, I recommend you go ahead and order the product directly from your supplier, or if you can find it on Amazon, order it to your house and then take some videos yourself. Now, a lot of people will probably say in this video, well, why don't you just order the product straight off Amazon and start filming content for it? Well, there's a couple of reasons. First thing is because a lot of people who are getting started with dropshipping don't actually want to risk more investment. You know, they're already risking a lot by putting $100 or $300 into ads. They don't want to then add $50 onto that buying the product. And that's totally understandable. The second option is, you don't know whether that product's going to work. If I order this off Amazon, it's going to set me back $30, which is not very much. But, I then spend $30 on it. It then turns up tomorrow. I then film some videos. I put those together and I stitch them together. And then the product doesn't work. I've just wasted a lot more time. Now, there is the converse argument to that, which is if you film your own content, then you have a higher chance of succeeding, which is kind of true and kind of not. When you look at content like this on TikTok, this is a good thing about TikTok, is it's user-generated content. This is content that you cannot get anywhere else on the internet without paying for. This content is in the public domain. Realistically, you're okay to use it for a bit. And obviously, from this, you're getting free content, and it's high quality content as well. A lot of people have iPhones nowadays. A lot of people have good cameras on their phones, which means you cannot really get this sort of quality from, a few years ago when we would be dropshipping on Facebook before TikTok was really a thing. We would just go into AliExpress, we'd find a product, and we would download the video off that product page, and we would stitch those together. We get someone on Fiverr to stitch us together a video. And the problem with that is you get very, very low quality videos. These videos do incredibly well on TikTok. They've been proven to work on TikTok. They've got a few thousand views. They've got a few comments. They've got a few likes. And we know the videos do well. We know there's interest around the product. So that's how I usually recommend you go ahead and you start testing products on TikTok. You just want to download and curate content from DropHacker. Literally just come in here, you want to set up an account. Once we launch, obviously, you want to set up an account, you want to scroll down to the ad library, you want to download the link, copy the link, and then you want to go to Snaptick, download those videos, stitch them together, and those are the those are the videos that you can then use for your ads. So that's all I wanted to go through for today's video. We've kind of gone through how to find products and also how you can find ads for your videos as well. So if you want to see any more information about this, I'll probably film another video which is a little bit more in depth about how you can get together different ads. But if you want to see any more information, go ahead and leave a comment and leave a like and suggest some videos for me to do in the future. But also, if you want to reserve your spot for DropHacker, go ahead and visit this link, course.volkers.co.uk/DropHacker. The link will be down below in the description. You can visit that link, enter your full name and your email address, and then you will be automatically added to the reservation list, which means when we launch it, it will be launched to you guys first, and you'll get probably about 50% off discount on the tool. So if you want to be first in line, go ahead, sign up. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.